Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What a day to start with the new financial year. I think today option sellers are very happy and option premiums have collapsed like anything. And India VIX multi-year low. In the morning, the VIX was slightly higher. I don't know why, but then towards the end of the day, VIX also started falling. And option premiums are too low. And actually, if the option premiums are too low, is also not good for option sellers. If the option premiums are too high, also not a good. So it must be moderate. And look at 18,000 short straddle in Nifty. I'm talking about the December 2023 contract. And sometimes in last day of September 2022, when I did a conference in Dubai and I did a live trade and I sold 18,000 short straddle, the combined premium was 3,400. And today it is less than 1,400. The 2,000 point profit per lot, per share, that translates into more than 1 lakh rupees profit per lot. So that is the kind of erosion in the option premiums, especially today. In the morning, Nifty was actually down slightly. I don't know, the Asian markets were okay, European futures were higher, and US markets, anyway it has gone up so much, and Dow future was higher anyway. It was S&P 500 and Nasdaq future was slightly down. But I don't know why Nifty has to fall more than 100 points from the opening level. But Bank Nifty has outperformed. And towards the end of the day, so the Nifty has also recovered. If you can remember what I said yesterday, if there is any dip in the market, maybe about 80 to 100 point dip in the market, so I said I will be buying 17,800 call option. I will be financing it by selling 16,800 put option. And I did that when the markets fell, and after that the markets recovered. Now I am in profit in both sell put option also and buy call option also. But this is the game of experienced people. So don't try this kind of things and you will burn your fingers very easily. And today, market seems to be very happy with monthly auto sales figures. And Hero MotoCorp up 3%. And all the auto stocks were higher. In fact, auto sector is the best performing sector today. And after that, PSU banks also did very well. But however, I do not know what is the problem with Infosys. It is still struggling around 1,400, and today morning I saw it was down more than 1%. When the entire global markets are good and we are recovering so much from the intra-month low or last month low, but still Infosys is just struggling. And today FMCG also dragged the market down. So it was Infosys and ITC, that two stocks contributed to the entire fall in Nifty. Of course, today it is not a fall, it was up. So it contributed about 25 points on the downside. So Reliance was absolutely flat because anyway it has shot up so much on Friday. I thought today Reliance will go up because of this crude oil prices, but that did not happen. And crude prices shooting up is not good for oil marketing companies. In case if the government choose to increase the price, of course, they will not do it, because Karnataka state election is there. So they will not increase the price. But in case if they increase, there will be a burden for oil marketing companies. I think today BPCL has underperformed hugely. And at the end of the day, another surprising thing, today FIIs were net buyers and domestic institutions were net sellers. But of course, they bought for about 320 crore and the DAs have sold for 320 crore. It's a minimal amount, but still that was not expected. And looking at the open interest, And Nifty closed around 17,400. Surprisingly, 17,400 put option added huge open interest, and 17,350 also added huge open interest. So that means people are becoming too bullish. But however, I sold only 17,100 put option for Thursday expiry, because tomorrow is a holiday. So, if anything happens, we can just keep watching the SGX Nifty only. We cannot do anything else. So that's why I wanted to play very safe. And even if Wednesday Nifty fall 150 point and Thursday Nifty fall another 150 point, still it can go to only 17,100. And anyway, I am of the view that 17,250 will be a good support, at least for a few days. So that is my view. Now, the main question, what happened on last Friday? Was it a rally or a window dressing? And today, the way market has behaved, it looks like this is a follow-on buy. So if this is a follow-on buy, then it is really, really very good. And anyway, we have underperformed the world markets in the first quarter. So let us hope at least in the second quarter, we outperform the world markets. And today, the beginning is really very good. So we will see how the momentum is being built going forward. And this month, April, there are only 17 trading sessions because there are 3 holidays. Out of that 17 trading sessions, 2 trading sessions gone already, the Friday and Monday. So we have only 15 more trading sessions. So that's why the option premiums are too low. So when the option premiums are too low, if anything happens, the option sellers will lose heavily. So that is why I'm just trying some strategy like call ratios and this and that, rather than selling naked options. So anyway, good beginning for financial year 23. In fact, financial year 22, it did not go well for me. So I'm hoping 23 will compensate that. And so it's a trader's life. Sometimes we make huge profit, sometimes we don't make profit, and so on. So anyway, the good thing is that we started very well. So the first trading session has gone very well. I'm hoping that that will continue for the rest of the year. Right now there's nothing much to talk, no much action in the market. Although option premiums have collapsed, price wise not a very big move. It's only 0.25%, 0.5% move. So we will see on Wednesday, and Thursday is the RBI policy, and Friday is the US non-farm payroll data. So then we will take things forward from there. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.